Hi, let's see how to install WordPress manually in this video. Type SeekaHost India in browser and select the SeekaHost India website. In home page, click on Login. In the login page, enter your SeekaHost account email address and password and click on Login. Inside the client area dashboard, click on Services. There you will see the list of your packages. Just click on Manage on it. Next, click on Login to cPanel. It will redirect the page to cPanel dashboard. You can even log into the cPanel directly without accessing the client area. For that, you have to type domain name /cPanel in the browser. Enter your username and password and click on Login. Once you have logged into the cPanel, scroll down to the page and under the File section, click on File Manager option. On the File Manager window, it will show all the cPanel files. On that, open Public HTML folder. In this folder only, we are going to upload the WordPress files. Let's download the WordPress files now. Open WordPress.org website in browser. We can download the WordPress here freely. On that page, select Get WordPress, click Download WordPress. Once the download is completed, go back to the cPanel File Manager page. Here, use the Upload option to upload the files. Select the Upload button and click on Select File option and upload your files here. Once the upload is completed, click on Go Back. Here it will show the zip file that you have uploaded. To extract the file, select the file and click on the Extract option. After that, click Extract Files option again. Once extract is completed, close the prompt window. Now you will see the WordPress folder there. If you open the WordPress folder, you will see the WordPress core files there. So now we have to move these files to public HTML folder. First, select all the files and click on Move. There you can see the files are under public HTML/WordPress folder. From there, select public HTML folder and click on Move. Now all the files are moved to public HTML folder. Next, we have to create database and database user. For that, again go back to the cPanel and select the Manage My Database option under the Database section. In the Create New Database section, mention your database name. Here I am mentioning as database. And click on Create Database. It will create your database. Make sure to copy the database name to somewhere. And click on Go Back. Scroll down to the page. You will see the Database User option. In the username, mention your database username and type your password. You can even use password generator to generate random password. Make sure to save that password also. After that, click the checkbox I have copied this password in a safe place and click on Use Password. Lastly, click on Create User. Now you will see the message on successful creation and click on Go Back. Now we have to add the user to the database. Here, select the user and database and click on Add. Inside that, select All Privileges checkbox and click on Manage Changes. Now, for your database, all privileges are allocated. Click on Go Back now. Next, we have to configure the website. Next, you can start the website configuration. Open a new tab on the browser and enter your domain name. You will see the configuration page on that. There, select the language and click on Continue. Here we can configure the mentioned details. Click on Let's Go. On the next page, you have to enter your database name and username which you already created previously. So here, mention your database name. Just copy and paste it. And the username. And fill the password. Leave the database host and table prefix as default and click on Submit. Next, you have to select the Run the installation option here. On the next page, you have to Enter basic information of your website like site title and the username and password. These are the WordPress login details, so don't forget to copy the password. After that, mention the email ID. Here I am mentioning as admin@mydomainname and click on install. It will be installed within a few seconds. On a success page, click on login. It will redirect you to the WordPress login page. There, mention your username and password and click on login. Once you have logged into the WordPress dashboard, you can manage your WordPress website. Use this method to install WordPress on your website manually. If this video helps you, like, comment, and don't forget to share. For more information videos like this, please subscribe our channel.